Welcome, here I've got Huawei Y7A and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture now. And we can hear the sound. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner to this button. When we tap here we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to the general category, and here we have mute option, so by using this button we can turn off the sound or turn it on again as we need. Now let me keep this turned off, let's go back to the camera and take another picture. And now we can't hear the sound. Of course, by going back to the right corner settings and tapping on this button, we can turn it on and hear again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.